Hello, everybody, and welcome to QA News for the 13th of December, which means this is Friday the 13th. Oh, wow. Okay, everybody. Well, it is the end of the year, and what a way to end the year. So, next year is, of course, our 2025. So, we have a few reminders for everybody for the last part of this year, and especially since it is the month of December. If you do any gift giving or ask for any gifts, you might want to remember that we have our Zoom class series of 9, the whole quilter, and it is the last time we're going to be doing it in this form. So it is, of course, as we've mentioned before, a series of classes. 9 of them to be exact. They will be on Saturdays. You do have the opportunity to watch them for about 2 weeks after they're aired, and then of course you have the potential to purchase them on a dongle to use on your computer and watch all of the time. So there we go. And we have the early bird special right now, so you have just a few weeks that you can get that special pricing. And of course, remember, you also have bundle pricing if you get all 9 classes. And trust me, they are packed full of a ton of information. So I did just want to slide that in real quick just for a reminder for our new folks that are watching. The other thing we have coming up is, of course, our One Block Wonder Panel Quilt Along, which is going to be pretty darn fun. Now with that, what we're going to be doing this morning is also in the link below, we have our link that you can get our last sets of panels. And of course, our sets come with 7 panels. 1 is to be folded and set aside, and the 6 are to follow along with the instructions for piecing as you quilt along. Now, this particular series is going to run on Fridays, and what we've decided is we are going to run them consecutive Fridays. So we're not going to skip any time, because once you start a project, you're going to want to continue. But it does take time to get caught up with each of the steps that we're going to be doing. Now, we're going to be starting that on, is it the 17th, Rich? Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so Friday the 17th of January is when we're going to be starting that particular quilt along. And again, we have our panels that we have left. We're offering at a really, really good price. Trust me, you're going to want to go down and check out that link. Most of them are, of course, wildlife, because I tend to love the wildlife stuff. Or if you choose to go somewhere else, or you have a local quilt shop that you love, go ahead and go and purchase 7 panels. Now, one of the things you want to make sure you do is purchase those 7 panels from preferably the same bolt. Number 1, just so all the colors match, that they're from the same lot. And also the size will be the same, and the consistency will be the same, because you can get some inconsistency if you get panels from different bolts. So again, you need 7 total. We want to remember that. And then for that one, we will see you on Friday the 17th. Now, those are going to be up. They're not going to be live. So as they're released on Fridays, you can watch one at a time, of course, until they are all done. And I'm not sure how many episodes there's going to be. It's probably going to be about 4. With the sets that we have, it is the 7 panels. Of course, border down the road is going to be up to you if you choose to make a border. Some people like borders, some people don't. So really, all you need to start are the 7 panels. And of course, the series will be up through the winter. So I can't wait to start that with everybody. I think it's going to be a wonderful, fun thing to do. I know that the panel quilts are, well, they're just darn fun, and they end up with a beautiful piece of art to share. So aside from that, let me think. We have a lot of wonderful things as we come towards the end of the year for next year here on the channel. And so definitely stay tuned, and you definitely probably want to click that bell so you can be notified when we have new videos that go up. And aside from that, being that it's December, The one thing we all here at A Quilter's Apothecary want to say are have a safe and happy holiday. We happen to celebrate Christmas, but however you celebrate, just remember to take care of yourself, stay safe, and we will see you all down the road. Goodbye, everybody.